Hello, good morning everyone. I'm your English teacher, Miss Sheila Chatterjee. And today we will do our new topic, that is chapter number 8, he, she, it pronouns. What are the pronouns? Pronouns are the words which we use instead of naming word. Again and again using a name, it's not looking good. So instead of name, we can use he, she or it. He, she. He for boys or for men, and she for girls or women, and it for animals or थिंग्स. अगर आपको ही के बारे में बात करें, किसी बॉय के बारे में बात कर रही हैं, इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग नेम अगैन एंड अगैन, रोहन इज अ गुड बॉय, रोहन इज माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड, रोहन इज गुड इन स्टडीज. इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग रोहन वी कैन यूज he. Rohan is my best friend, he is good in studies and he is a good boy. Okay, and see, with girls, with ladies, with women, we can use she. Okay, using again and again a name, instead of using a name again and again, we can use she. As it also, we will do more many examples from our grammar books. So are you ready? Let's start the class. This is our chapter number 8, he, she, it. He, she, it calls pronouns the word which we use in instead of naming words. आप naming words को बार बार use ना करके he, she, it भी use कर सकते हैं. Read the paragraphs given below. As you can see, here are 2 paragraphs. You have to read properly. Rahul is a 7 years old boy. Rahul plays cricket. Rahul is good in studies. Rahul eats chocolates and ice creams. Rahul reads books. The name Rahul in the above paragraph is repeated again and again. See, Rahul is 7 years old boy. Rahul plays cricket. Rahul is good in studies. So Rahul, Rahul, Rahul and Rahul again and again. This make is odd to read, isn't it? So instead of again and again Rahul, we can use he. Just see, Rahul is a 7 years old boy. He plays cricket. He is good in studies. He eats chocolates and ice creams. He reads books. Here he is replaced Rahul. He is replaced Rahul to provide proper flow to the paragraph. Okay. Instead of using again a name again, we can use pronoun. It can be he, she or it, depends on the naming word, depends on the name. Now other words used in place of naming word with males. As I told you, males के साथ आप he लगाएंगे, फीमेल्स के साथ, गर्ल्स के साथ आप she लगाएंगे, with any animal or thing उनके साथ आप it लगाएंगे. For example, he is a good boy. So who is he? Boy. So ये boy है, तो he is a good boy. She is a good girl. Who's the good girl? She. ये girl है, तो ये good girl है. It is my pet dog. Pet dog. It is my pen. So it is my pen. Okay. Now come on the next page. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks using he, she or it. Read it properly. So Soumya is a beautiful girl. Here is the Soumya. She is wearing pretty dress. She, who, she? Soumya. Dash has a brother. Who has a brother? She. Soumya का भाई है. So we will write here she. She has a brother. His name is Abhay. 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 And here is the Abhay. Abhay is the boy. So Abhay is fond of playing football. But instead of Abhay, we will write here he. As I told you कि boys के लिए हम he लगाते हैं. They have a pet cat. See, pet cat. Dash has hairy body. See, hairy body यानी full of hair. So it, because हम animals के साथ और things के साथ it लगाते हैं. Dash looks very cute. Who? This pet cat. So again it. It looks very cute. Both the children plays with their pet daily. Okay. Now see, replace the underline naming word. जो underline naming words हैं, you have to write he, she or it. Pronoun. Akshara is a beautiful girl. Instead of Akshara, we can use she. So she is a beautiful girl. Arpit writes a letter to his sister. Instead of Arpit, we can write here he. He writes a letter to his sister. Tiger attacked a rabbit. Instead of tiger, we can write it. It attacked a rabbit. Sanya is wearing a beautiful skirt. Sanya is a girl, so she is wearing a beautiful skirt. Don't forget about full stop and capital letters. Priyanshu is better than her. Priyanshu is the boy. He is better than her. Okay, you have to do these two questions in your book. Okay, bye. Take care and do revision of this chapter.